up a fuss. Do you got that shit that make that body go around? Got that shit in pay-per-view, I watch it going.
Oh, fuck. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I do my bun on my wigs. Everybody, this has been a very requested video because everybody went crazy over it. So this is the video for it. I hope you guys are excited. This is Beautyforever's hair. This Jerry curly hair. It is 100 and... okay, they say it's 150% density, but it looks like 180% density. It is 24 inches. It says it's $214.40. I will leave all the links down below so you guys can click it and see the correct information if this is not right. Because y'all know every time I'm trying to tell y'all the information in the video, it'd be the wrong thing. So do not even listen to nothing I'm saying right now. Look in my description box down below. Anyways, I'm just going to show you guys how I do this bun. Also, in the eye above, I think it's right here where I'm pointing at, but there is gonna be other videos like how I pluck my wig, how I lay my frontal, all of that. My picture, I had used the what glue? I used the Janet Collection Isha glue. That glue is amazing. I used that to hold down my sideburns and everything, so it had my wig really snug. I put on my wig with the Got2b spray and then put it up in a bun. Yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off by putting my hair in like a bun. You can use a hair clip to do this, but before we do that, you want to take that comb in the back of the wig and stick it on your anchor braid. So that's the first step. So right here, you're going to just put all the hair up into like a bun, twist it around and pin it. And then at this point, my wig is lifting up on this side, so I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with some Got2b spray. I did put this wig on with Got2b spray, so this is what we're doing right here. Just spray that and blow it on cool. And when you do that, just make sure that everything is going to stay stuck. I do recommend doing like glue method. You don't have to, but that's what I did in the picture. And your wig is going to be nice and snug. Right here, I'm using my Tropic Touches head scarf, my satin head wrap. If you guys want to purchase this, I will have my email down below, or you could just DM me on Tropic Touches. At this point, my website should have been up, but if it's not, you could DM me to purchase. So now, you always want to make sure that you tie down the perimeter of your head. I'm going to use this wire headband. You could get this from Amazon. This is called a wire headband. You can get a lot in a pack for very cheap. And right here, I'm just going to tie up the wire headband around my head. And this is going to help it have like a ponytail look at the top of your head. You want to make sure that it's all the way at the top of your head, because this is what's going to make or break your bun. You want that bun to sit right there. Then I start twisting all the hair into like a circle type of thing. And then I'm going to take my big jumbo hair tie. You could get this at your beauty store. And I'm going to wrap that around twice. So I put it once and then I pull it and I put it a second time. Keep in mind, every time you do this, it's going to be a little different, but you want to play with the bun and make sure that it's sitting the way that you want it to. If you have to pull it a little bit to make it bigger. But this is literally all I did to get that bun. And yeah, and then I'm just pulling the back hairs. If you really want to, you could take some of those back hairs out and cut them really short, and then just put some water and it will look really natural. But I like it to look a little bit like rough and rample in the back, so it kind of blends properly with my hair. I am wearing a light wig cap, so I don't recommend doing that. I just couldn't find my darker wig caps, but most times I'm wearing a darker wig cap. I don't really do the ball cap method too much, so yeah. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm showing you the back of the head. You see how that's blended really nicely. All you have to do is just pull down the sides and you're not going to see the cap right there. But regardless, I was just doing this video to demonstrate for you guys. So I'm showing you, you can see my cap. Thank you guys so much. I hope this video was helpful. If it is helpful, give me a comment down below. And yeah, thank you. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned how to put your hair in a bun, leave a comment down below. Also, you can leave like a couple flowers or something in the comment section, and I'll know that you guys like this video. I also want you guys to comment down below some other videos you guys want to see from me. And yeah, I'm gonna link other tutorials and stuff that I have in the eye above, so make sure you check them out. And thank you so much for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye. You got spirits all double, you're funny, blush and blush. Fuck with the professor. Do you got that shit that make that body go around? Got that shit in pay-per-view, I watch it going down. You up on the screen, see it in high definition, I'ma hit the same. Drop it.